vision.
Elizabeth, I can't find the Fruit Loops. Hey, I was gonna eat those. Oh, whatever. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Today's episode, we are gonna talk about how this episode was made. We decided to do this episode to dedicate it to CRC 2, with Mr. Armendariz.
Hey, I didn't see you there. So today we're gonna be talking about this episode, how this episode is different.
Natalia!
Anyway, we're going to be talking about how this episode is dedicated to CRC for making the best heavenly green eggs and ham because it is Dr. Seuss week.
I'm wondering how we came up with the name Cooking Vision for our show. You see, I'm thinking of random things. First I said rice, then I said vinegar, then I said vinner rice, then I came up with the word vision, and that's how we came up with Cooking Vision.
Let's get cooking!
This is all you guys.